In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Shopify announcement bar. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store settings, products, and design. Once you are in, look at the menu on the left and find Online Store. Click Online Store, then choose Themes. This page shows your installed themes, and it also highlights the theme that is currently live on your storefront. Next, locate your active theme and click the Customize button. This opens the theme editor, where you can adjust the layout and content that customers see. Give the editor a moment to load, because it pulls in your store preview and all of your theme sections. Now focus on the left sidebar in the theme editor. This sidebar lists the parts of your page, usually grouped by areas like header and footer. In the header group, find Announcement Bar and select it. When you click Announcement Bar, you will see options related to the overall Announcement Bar section, along with any individual announcement blocks inside it. To change the message your customers see, click on an individual announcement block. This is where you can edit the announcement text. If your theme supports it, you can also add or adjust a link so the announcement can send customers to a specific page, such as a sale collection, a shipping policy, or a new product. Keep your text short and clear so it stays readable on mobile devices. After updating the content, click the main announcement bar heading, not the individual block. This takes you back to the settings for the entire bar. Here you can adjust styling such as colors so the announcement matches your branding and remains easy to read. You may also have options to enable auto rotation, which cycles through multiple announcements automatically. If you use rotation, keep each message focused and make sure the timing is not too fast. Depending on your theme, you can also choose whether to display social icons in this area. When everything looks correct in the preview, click Save in the top right corner. Always save before leaving the editor to make sure your changes go live. That covers everything you need to know.